Hey friends, have you ever sat down to film a YouTube video and suddenly realized that life had other plans? Or maybe you felt super motivated one week, filmed nothing the next, and then completely missed an upload? Today, we're talking about something that could completely change your YouTube journey, especially if you're over 50 like me and building this channel as part of your retirement plan, just like I am. We're talking about batch filming. And I'm going to tell you why I should have been doing it all along and what happened when I didn't. If you're new here, my name is Wendy Varner of Wendy Varner Designs. I'm a small batch polymer clay earring artist in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been running my online store for the past few years, popping up at vendor events, hosting workshops, and yes, I made the earrings that I'm wearing today. I have them in several different colors. You can always visit my online store if you'd like a pair for yourself or to give as a gift. And here on this channel, I talk to creatives over 50, especially crafters, makers, and small YouTubers who are building something meaningful and hopefully profitable as part of their retirement plan. If that's you, make sure you're subscribed. Batch filming simply means filming multiple videos in one sitting instead of filming week by week. That's it. Simple concept, huge impact. And I'm telling you this because recently I had some unexpected things come up, life stuff, things I couldn't plan for. And because I had not batch filmed, I missed a couple of weeks of uploading. We had a huge ice snowstorm here in North Carolina, and I film in my studio, which is in my garage. And when I tell you that it was cold in my garage, y'all, I could have froze some ice cream in my garage. That's how cold it was. And some other things came up as well. Now, was the world ending? No, but consistency matters here on YouTube. And if you're building this channel as part of your long-term retirement income strategy, consistency matters even more. If you're nodding along, go ahead and like this video so I know I'm not alone here. When I didn't have videos ready ahead of time, I felt behind, I felt stressed, I felt like I was letting my audience down and myself down, and honestly, I felt really discouraged, and it was a cycle, and that's really dangerous, especially for creatives over 50, because we already fight thoughts like, is this too late? Am I too old? Is YouTube too saturated? And missing uploads can make those doubts even louder. If you've ever felt that comment, I get it, below, I want to know I'm talking to my people. Here's the shift. Batch filming is not just about productivity. It's about stability. If you're trying to build YouTube income as part of your retirement, you need predictable content going out consistently. YouTube rewards consistency. Audiences trust consistency. Income grows with consistency. Batch filming protects you when life happens, and life will happen. Now, let's talk practical because we're not 25. We're not trying to film 12 videos in one day. I know I'm not. Here's what I recommend: film 2 to 3 videos in one sitting. That's it. Same outfit, same lighting, same setup. Just change your topic. You could film one educational video, one story-based video, one tip or style video. If you need topic ideas, I talk about that in my video, Why YouTube Feels Impossible, especially for creators over 50. So that's a great one to watch after this. And if you're a polymer clay maker or any type of maker, your topics are endless. Mistakes, tools, beginner tips, business advice. You already know things that beginners need. Here's something no one talks about. Batch filming builds confidence. By the third video, you're warmed up, you're relaxed, you stop overthinking. And that confidence shows on camera, which helps your audience connect with you, which builds trust. which builds sales, whether that's YouTube revenue, affiliate income, your online shop, or workshops. Speaking of workshops, if you're shifting from selling to hosting, my guide, Must Have Guide from Seller to Host, walks through that transition step by step. Here's another layer. When you batch film, you can also batch plan your email newsletter. If you're not on my monthly newsletter, make sure you sign up. That's where I share updates, new earrings, workshops, and behind the scenes things you don't always see here. And if you're unsure what to include in your newsletter, I have a video called What You Should Include in Your Newsletter. That one pairs beautifully with this topic. Consistency across YouTube and email, that's powerful. So here's what I'm doing differently. I'm committing to film at least 2 weeks ahead. If I upload once a week, that means I always have 2 videos ready. So if something unexpected comes along, I'm still being consistent. No stress, no scrambling, no guilt, no vicious cycle. And if you're over 50 building something meaningful and sustainable, that peace of mind matters. Let me say this. We're not behind. We are experienced. We are capable. And we're allowed to build income differently in this stage of our life. YouTube is not just for teenagers. It's for teachers, makers, artists, crafters, storytellers. If you haven't watched my video, over 55, almost 60, oh, and now I'm over 60, retirement, YouTube, let's go. That one will encourage you. And if this video helped you, subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Because this channel is about building something sustainable, and sustainable means planning ahead, batch filming is planning ahead. All right, friends, tell me in the comments, have you ever missed uploads because life happened? And are you willing to try batch filming this month? Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you're building your YouTube channel over 50. I'll see you in the next one.